Would you like to copy a brand new online business model that no one knows about, that any average ordinary person can do, that's currently making $300,000 per month? It's pretty cool because you're actually able to relicense this business and inject it straight into your life. If you're somebody that's brand new, no experience online, maybe you've tried stuff in the past like affiliate marketing or drop shipping and you've just failed over and over and over again, this will work for you. All I need you to do is go ahead and comment DFY in the comment section and then simply follow my profile. In the next video, I will reveal this business model in its entirety. I'll show you guys what I've been able to copy and the results that I've gotten so far. It's gonna be super cool. So go ahead, comment DFY below, follow this profile. Can't wait to see you in the next one. If you'd like more like this, go ahead and subscribe and comment, and don't forget to check for the link to see more. If you're watching on TikTok, check the bio. Instagram or Facebook, comment free. YouTube, check the description and get started.